Chapter 3, Fundamental Insurance, briefs, Part A, Government regulations of the insurance industry. Number 1, licensing of insurers. So, federal government, Office of the Superintendent of Financial Institutions. So, what does the federal government do? So, federal government do licensing of insurers operating in several provinces across Canada. So, highlight licensing of insurers. So, insurer means insurance companies. Next, strict financial standards to ensure protection of nursing public. So basically, they make strict financial standards to protect the public. So highlight strict financial standards and highlight protection of nursing public. Basically, protection of public's interest. Next is monitoring. So monitoring of financial status of federally insured, federally licensed insurer. So basically, they monitor that the insurance companies are doing the proper job. So the key thing is licensing, protections, and monitoring. Okay, so 3 things to remember is licensing, protection, and monitoring. Yeah. And then is the provincial government. So what does the provincial government do? So Office of Superintendent of Insurance in BC, Superintendent of Financial Institution. So we call it, so in BC we call BC Superintendent of Financial Institution. So otherwise we call Office of Superintendent of Insurance. So I had Superintendent or Superintendent of Financial Institutions. What do they do? Same thing. Licensing of insurer operating in province. So basically, so they license the insurance company which work in BC, for example, BC, Alberta, different provinces. Supervise, they also supervising terms and condition of insurance contract. So they supervise the terms and conditions. So I had supervising. And then monitoring of financial status of insurer operating in respective province only. So basically they monitor what is the status of the insurance company. So do they have enough money to pay out the claims, right? So what does the provincial does? Licensing, supervising, and monitoring. So 3 things you can highlight. Next one is, so the first key job was licensing, right, of federal government and provincial government. And then the sub point was licensing, supervising, monitoring, and protection, right? Yeah. Then come monitoring, solvency. So solvency means an insurer's ability to pay claims. Or an insurer's ability to pay claims. Monitored by governments on an ongoing basis. So I had ongoing basis. Financial information published by Dun and Bradstreet. Is the name of a company which published, right? Basically, what is their job is to monitor whether the insurance company has enough money to pay the claim on an ongoing basis. If a claim comes in, do they have money to pay? That means solvency. And the other one is Property and Casualty Insurance Compensation Corporation. So I have this PCICC. Its purpose is to provide coverage for policyholder when an insurer has been declared bankrupt, bankrupt, until insurance has been secured with other insurer. So basically mean if the insurance company declare bankruptcy, so this company, property PCICC, it gives the temporary coverage, right, until they find a different insurance company. Okay. So now you know solvency and the role of PCICC. Okay. So PCICC covers So until they find the other one. Okay. Next is a third is a fiduciary nature of insurance. Fiduciary basically means someone who handles another's money, like a trust companies, right? So highlight someone who handles another's money. For example, insurer, brokers, banks, accountants, lawyers, they hold a position of special trust. When you buy a house, when you get a mortgage, so the money goes to the lawyer, right? So stays in the trust account, and then from there to goes to the right, to the seller. So special trust. Fiduciary responsibility of insurance. When annual premiums have been collected by insurer in advance for the term of the policy, so highlight annual premium in advance. The term of the policy premiums are considered fully earned, highlight considered fully earned only upon expiry of the policy. Unearned premiums are held in trust to be paid back to insured when policy is terminated prior to expiry. So basically held in trust. For example, I buy the insurance policy, I give 1 year premium, right? But the company has not earned 1 year, right? So they every month they keep the money in trust account. Every month they take the money out and goes to that. Okay. Example: premium paid $1,200. Earned premium after 1 month is how much? $100. 1/12. Balance of $1,100 representing the unearned portion is held in a trust. So fiduciary is responsible to brokers then. Commission retained by broker must be earned. Highlight must be earned. Commission must be earned. Unearned commission are to be held in trust to be available to pay back to insurer if policy is terminated prior to. Basically same thing. So they keep the money in the trust. For Insurance Act. First is the provincial variations. Variation means changes. Provinces regulate mean control. Provinces control operations of insurance. For example, automobile insurance is not the same in all provinces. In BC is a government, right? But in Alberta is a private. So it's different in different provinces. Legislating industry policy standards. Legislating means making a law. The Insurance Act sets out rules applying to insurance contracts. All of the following terms are legislated. Legislated meaning they have made a law. Contents of insurance policies. Information that must appear on all policies on the first page called declaration page. The first page called declaration page or summary page. Parties to the contract. Must identify the parties to the contract policy period. So highlight policy period. Identify the terms of the contract. Highlight terms, effective date, highlight effective date, and time commencing. Commencing means starting. When does the policy start? Policy start at 12:01 a.m. night time, right? 12:01. Add the address of the name insured except when obtained after 12:00 a.m. on the effective date. Then contract will commence when coverage has been bound. So when the coverage is bound, only then it starts. But otherwise at 12:01. Loss payable or pay. If any requirement to identify all parties with an insurable interest in a contract of insurance. Insurance has right to know who is entitled to indemnify. Highlight insurable interest and entitled to indemnify. Indemnity mean compensation. Compensation mean muavza, right? Basically, to whom they pay? A person who has an insurable interest.